Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it couldn't load image tab through Retry. So you see this error on your Instagram, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just try to close your app and just try open it. So sometimes it also helps. And if you still have this issue, so just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find here Wi-Fi. Just open Wi-Fi, just turn it off, wait a few seconds and just turn on again. And if you're using cellular data or mobile data, just turn off mobile data and just turn on again. Also, you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And if you still have this issue, so just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down until you will see shutdown. Just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. And if you still have this issue, so just go to the settings, just tap on general, just choose reset here and just reset network settings and just submit resetting network settings. So this is the way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.